What is up, JRG Squad? It's been a while. We're gonna play Subway Surfers today. I just want to say I'm so sorry, guys, for being gone for a while. There's no storage issues. I mean, a little bit there is. I mean, a little bit, but not as bad as it was like a year ago. But yeah, guys, I did film a long video on this, and maybe that's why it wasn't uploading. I have no idea. I tried everything to get it to upload. It was a great video, but I couldn't get it to upload. I even beat my high score in the end of the video, but yeah, so I'm gonna, this is being refilmed, and yeah. Alright, I guess we're starting now. Wait, we need to pause. We're gonna play Subway Surfers for 10 minutes, guys, because we don't have all this, so we're gonna do it for 10 minutes. Alright, here we go. 10 minutes, guys. We're playing Subway Surfers. Thank you guys for understanding why I was gone for so long. I was having problems uploading that video. I didn't mean for it to be 2 weeks. But yeah, guys. And whatever happens, happens. Oh, I missed the flag. Dang it. W, we're spelling windy. Oh god, that was close. Oh, oh, I got hit. Ah, what was I doing? Hey! Huge shout out to Max Downing for getting me all these subscribers. Huge shout out to him. Thank you very much, man. There we go, we got a flag. Oh, I guess we did get the flag. I must have missed the one I thought I missed. Ah. Oh god. This is dangerous. Oh, what was our score? Not too bad. This game has been getting really popular, so I decided to film a video on it. Oh, that was a close one. Ah! Oh. Not too bad. 3, 5, 5, 5. I don't know why I paused it. Oh no! After this one, I'm gonna check and see how much time we have left. Scooter jetpack, baby! We got every single coin there, guys. Oh god, that was close. There's flag number 4. And letter number 4. It's 44. Guys, no, I'm just kidding. Oh no, I can't bump into the sides, I forgot. Oh! Oh, we might have beaten the high score. Oh god, we were close. Oh, so close. The rule is if the timer goes off and you're still going, you can finish the round. And there's flag. Oh no, we missed flag number 5. I should have gotten flag number 5. Hopefully I can get the next flag before time runs out. Jake. We must have spelled Windy. I don't think we did. I don't remember that. Oh no, I bumped into the pole. And there's the Y, guys. Ah! Oh no. Alright, guys. Not too bad of a score for me. Alright, guys, we had 3 minutes to go. Less than that now, but when I asked, there was exactly 3 minutes to go. 3 minutes even. Let's see what we can get in those 3 minutes. And there's flag number 5, guys. Season Hunt Reward, the new flag update. I'm so excited to upload this video. Oh god, it better work. I need to get back to uploading. We got a magnet, guys. That way all the coins will go towards us. Well, magnet is gone. Oh, we got a mystery box. Oh no, I screwed up there. We missed the letter. I'd rather have boots than a letter. That was a great trick. Whoa! Oh god! Oh, this is crazy, guys. Oh my god. Oh, there's another flag. Boots! Oh! We got a mystery box. A disc! I've never seen that before. Alright, we can't waste any more time. We gotta get our job done. What are these things? I don't know what those are. It must be, like, alternative power-ups or something. Not power-ups you actually can get in the game. There must be like an alternative to power-ups. There's another flag. I can see a magnet coming. I'm gonna stay in this section. Yes, sir. We got a magnet. Come on, baby. Oh no, I jumped over the mystery box. Oh, crap. The timer. There is the timer, guys, so I get to finish this round and then, yeah, oh, there I go. What is our finishing score? 4,657. Alright, guys, that was our 10-minute challenge on Subway Surfers. I'm going to check my iPad storage, man. Not good. Alright, guys, I just wanted to film a video. I needed to. I've been gone for 2 weeks. It was because I was having an error uploading the video. I have no idea what it was, but at least I got to refilm it. Oh god, YouTube, please upload this. Okay. Yeah, I'm praying to the YouTube gods that this video uploads. But anyways, guys, my storage is getting bad. I gotta stop. And as we always say, let's go.